So, all right. So, welcome to Market Overview for 4th of March 2024. It's a little bit late, so I'm guessing you guys see this in the morning when you wake up. That's all right. So, we're gonna start with the dollar. The dollar is in a really tricky spot now. It's really hard to say, but at the bigger picture from the daily perspective, it looks like it's wanted to go down. If you trade it from the 4-hourly perspective, I guess we can see it probably tomorrow push a little bit up, and then it's going to continue down. Because if you're going to take a look at gold, for example, gold need to push down now. It still have this resistance up here in this level that it needs to either push down and get some more momentum to the upside. So what we are waiting for now is basically get a confirmation if the market is going to go up or if the market is going to go down. And the same comes to the dollar. This week, Mr. Powell is speaking, so we're gonna have a lot of movement, a lot of manipulation, and it would not surprise me if Mr. Powell dropping some goodness for the dollar to push gold down, so the US can buy their shares of gold before they're gonna turn the market around. We also see gold broke out of the trend line today from the higher time frame. We haven't had a retest yet, but again, we see we have a strong support in this area. So specifically me, I'm waiting for the retracement to this support and then the continuation. And I want to see the dollar also push a little up first. So maybe we can get some good entries on gold this week. So I'm looking at buys from here, and then it's nearly impossible to see where it's going to go, because if it breaks this one, then we have broken all-time high, as you see here. This is all-time high. If you break this, then we don't know where to stop, basically. So that's what we're waiting for gold. Like I said, dollar on the daily perspective, I think it's going to continue down, to be honest. I think it's soon game over for the dollar. At least they need to push it down to get some more momentum up. Pattern-wise, it looks not good for the dollar. So the dollar is basically looking really weak. The only thing that's still stuck in my head is that respect to the 78. And I think we can see retracement back to the 61. And maybe a continuation if they find a way to save the dollar. eurusd, we have a trade laying and waiting for us there, if I'm not wrong. No, we have not. So we can get some buys on eurusd also. If I'm going to buy eurusd now, I want, wait a second here. Up the 50. Yeah. Far away. Let's make annulation and take it from here to here. I think we're going to start to look for some buys from this area here. Right? This is just ideas. If you take a trend line now, we're going to have, yeah, the retest there. All right, good. So it's going to be something like this, and then we're going to aim for these highs up here. All right. Best is just do 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. If you want to keep it for swing, we can try to fix that also. GU, we are still waiting for GU to come down. It's not necessarily it happens if it breaks above this high here, or this line that you see here, because this is the last week high, like you see here, and this is the week low. So if it breaks above, then we can start looking for new buy entries. GJ, nothing here. I think. Nope. EJ. We are waiting for EJ. We can't come up to this area. Then we're gonna have a massive sell. EJ, sorry, not EJ. EJ. Then come here, EJ, up. Yeah, that's it. So the dollar doesn't look good right now. The dollar looks toast, to be honest. We have to see how it reacts when it's pushed down here. But again, everything can happen with news manipulation and everything. So we just have to wait and see, and then we take it from there. With that said, that's the market overview for this week. Jeremy is out traveling, and that's why he's not here. He's gonna watch over this tape, and then he's probably gonna post some signals from this one. So with that said, thank you for your time. Have a lovely evening.